babies, welcome back to another video with your girl Malavati. So today is Vlogmas Day 5. Yep. And we are still locked in, so please keep on staying tuned. Please. But before we continue, before like, subscribe and turn on post notifications to know when I post. So we are cleaning my room, we are preparing it for Christmas. Literally. Even though we won't be home, we'll be with my grandmother. Let's get into this. I'm gonna change my bedding, clean my mirrors. I do have a Sunday reset video, this is it. If you wanna see more cleaning video, is that one only, because cleaning and recording, it's a job and a half, but we're gonna do this for Vlogmas. So let's get into it. Let's clean this room so that we can work on a clean, fresh space. Maybe ideas will come. Please comment video ideas for Vlogmas. Please. Video ideas, please. Or just video ideas in general that you want to see, comment them. And I will make them part of Vlogmas videos and please follow me on Instagram. I have started posting behind the scenes and some content that I won't be putting on YouTube, and I'm gonna have a TikTok account for me because I do have one, but it's for my business. And if you want to subscribe to that one too, this is the name. So yeah, go and follow me on Instagram, babies. Go and follow me on Instagram because we are going to have a giveaway for 1K subscribers on YouTube. So following me on other platforms will be part of the instructions in order for you to get a chance to win a giveaway. So yeah, go follow me, stay tuned, and keep on staying tuned. Let's get into this video.
5 in the morning, I wake up to fight for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. My mind, it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah. I really need China. I need to free my mind. I really need my love. I need to free my mind now. I really need Jada. I need to free my love. I really need my love. Yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one.
So babes, we are done, and I will see you loves tomorrow because I'm left with the bedding. This is the end of this vlog. We are done. I have to schedule this vlog for tonight. Today I'm still recording because of this bedding. I was supposed to do everything yesterday, but the bedding, I was not able to dry it. So yeah, that was the reason. And I hope everything goes well. I do hope, because I still have to record Vlogmas Day 6. Today I was supposed to record Vlogmas Day 6, But yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to know when I post. And that is it. Bye.